Alright fellas, just making another journal entry for my collectible toys. Today what I have to show you is a tin toy wind-up Lionel lines hand cart operated train. Okay, with the two workers. Alright, and I'll show you, try to get you a close-up of the men. It's really very, very well done. Now this toy is made by Schylling. Okay, Schylling is a company I've mentioned in the past, and it's one of the few companies left that still make tin toys, wind-ups. This particular piece came out in 2003, and Lionel authorized it. Okay, Schylling always gives you this certificate of authenticity that's made by Schylling. You know, it really means nothing, you know. These things range in value. They can sell as little as $25. I've seen them actually sell as much as $55. And, you know, guys go a little crazy when it has the original tin box, as this one has, and a certificate which is blank, not filled out. Everything is 100% brand new. And so we're gonna wind this up and put it on an oval track here. I have actually it's a Marks 2-rail oval track. Okay, and we're gonna give it a ride and see how she performs. Alright, sit down. Alright guys, I got it all wound up, and this particular wind-up toy, you see the key there, it does not have an on-off switch. Okay, I'm holding it with my hand. Okay, you gotta hold it tightly and wind it up and then release it. So let's see what we got here. It's a 27-inch diameter track here. Okay, and then once I get it going, I'll show you in both directions. Okay, so that's in one direction. A bit of an uphill climb on this side of the table. That track actually just came apart. So that's why it slows down right here. That's happened with all my toys when I test them on this table. So let's wind it up again, try in the other direction. I got it all wound up, and let's see how we do in this direction. Not gonna make it up that hill. Not gonna make it up that hill. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Yes, come on, boys. Ooh, she's trying. He's trying. I'll give him a little help. Trying to make him come around, but he just won't. Just doesn't have it in him to come around. Maybe he does. Maybe not. Whatever. Okay. Now you got it, guys. I just want to do a little up close here. Show you all the graphics. Lionel's been in business for over 100 years. Okay. They do a good job, Schylling, at detail work, and really, I'm pretty impressed with them. Tell you, I got several toys made by Schylling, and they all work great. You guys watch my channel, I've seen many of them, and I'm pretty pleased with them. They're quality toys. They take the time for the detail, and again, yes, it is a reproduction. Yes, it is made in China, but Schylling is, I would say, the only reputable company that I know of that still makes quality tin toys. All tin, no plastic at all, zero. So, there you got it, guys. Thanks for watching. Book 'em, Daniel.